In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an Elementor page effortlessly. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you like a design you've created and want to replicate it for another project, or simply wish to build upon an existing layout. So, let's jump right in and guide you through this process step by step. First things first, you need to open the specific page that you'd like to duplicate using Elementor. It's as simple as navigating to your WordPress dashboard, selecting the page from your list, and clicking on Edit with Elementor. Once you're in there, you'll see all of your design components and content laid out in front of you, ready for the next steps. Now, direct your attention to the bottom panel of the Elementor interface, over to where the Update or Publish button typically resides. It's easy to overlook this next step, but rather than clicking the button itself, focus on the arrow found right next to it. Clicking that will present you with a few options, one of which is Save as Template. Select this option to initiate the saving process. With that choice, a window will pop up prompting you to name your template. Choose a concise yet descriptive name that will help you easily identify the template later. Once you've settled on a name, simply hit the Save button, and voila, you've saved this page as a template. This means your entire layout, content, and design are now stored in the My Templates section, awaiting future use. Continuing on, the next step is to create a new page or post where you'd like this duplicated content to live. Once you've set up your new page or post, launch Elementor, which should be quite familiar by now. In the Elementor editor, you'll want to locate the folder icon, typically found alongside other options like adding elements or sections. When you click this folder icon, it opens a library. Within this library, you'll find various templates, including the one we've just saved. Navigate to the My Templates tab. Here, you should see your saved template among any others you might have created. Find the template you saved earlier, and you'll notice an Insert button next to it. Click Insert to place this template onto your new page. By doing so, you've successfully duplicated the full layout and content of your original page. It should look virtually identical, saving you a tremendous amount of time and effort compared to recreating the design from scratch. Congratulations! You've learned how to efficiently copy an Elementor page by saving it as a template and then inserting it into a new page or post. This method not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures design consistency across different pages. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to experiment with and tweak your newly duplicated page to suit your evolving design needs.